Get it, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Moo, and you know I'm coming through with another production. Hey, shout out to y'all, man. We here in 2025, bro. We starting the year super strong. But without any further ado, I'm going to show you how to download the PS2 emulator onto your computer. Okay, this is gonna be the fastest and simple tutorial on YouTube. You feel me? So we're gonna get straight into it. All right, into it. No. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to Google. Okay, you're gonna go to Google. You're gonna type in PSCSX2. All right, so when you go to PSCSX2, you're gonna see the first website, PSCSX2.net. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna download the latest nightly version. If you got Windows, do Windows. If you got a Steam Deck, or what is it at? Asus relive OG, download the Linux flat pack. Do the flat pack. If you got a MacBook, just get the Mac OS version. That's cool. So you're just gonna hit download and let it download. It only takes 4 seconds. All right. So after that jump finished downloading, yo, you see we on that SmackDown versus Raw 2011. Stop playing. All right. It ain't gonna take too long. All right, cool. So all you're gonna do is click show in folder. Boom. It's gonna take you straight to this page right here. Wherever you have your downloads at, that's where it's gonna be. All right. So we have our PSCSX2 right here. All you're gonna do is right click on it and extract all. Files will be extracted, just hit extract. All right, and you're gonna see this start to go. It doesn't take too long. All right, so that's step one. Step number 2, we're gonna go back to Google. All right, and we're gonna type in PS2 BIOS. All right, you're gonna scroll down a little bit, and you're gonna see a website that say Retro Stick.
Nice.
Retrostick.com. All right, and all you're gonna do is click right here where it says PSCSX2 PlayStation 2 BIOS. Don't click anything else on the screen. All right, or your computer's gonna say bye bye.
Got him! Got him!
Want that to happen. All right. So right here, you're gonna see show in folder again. You're gonna click on it again. All right, I'm gonna full screen that joint. Do the same thing. Right click and extract that joint. All right, so once you extract those two things, you're good to go for the emulator. As far as the games go, everybody's asking, where do you get your games from? I don't condone any piracy, none of that. All right, but everything is on Google. You know, a lot of people get it from the layer. Some people get it on someelseforfun.com. Some people just type in ROMs, whatever game they're looking for, and it pops up with ROMs. That's how some people do it, but I don't condone any piracy. So that's how you'll be able to find your games that way. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is go to your PSCSX2. This is what it's gonna look like. All right, this is what your PSCSX2 is gonna look like. Whenever you start it, right? It's gonna say, welcome to PSCSX2, blah, blah, blah. All you're gonna do is hit next. All right. And once you hit next, you're gonna go to this page right here. It's gonna say browse. All you're gonna do is click browse. And once you click browse, it's gonna bring up your manila folder. And all you're gonna do is find your PS2 BIOS. Don't look at all my stuff. I know I have a lot of stuff in this folder. PS2 BIOS. All you're gonna do is click PS2 BIOS and open it. So when you open up your PS2 BIOS folder, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna click USA. You're gonna hit next, next, yes, next, 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 next. Okay. So now that you got those things out the way, the first thing you're gonna do is configure your graphics. So you're going to go to settings, graphics. All right, first thing we're going to do, go to aspect ratio, full screen, 16:9. That's what we're going to click on. All right, next thing you're going to do is go to rendering, internal resolution. When you first click on it, it's going to say native PS2. It's going to be looking like a man without his glasses, like me. It's going to be blind. It's going to be blurry. On my YouTube, I normally run it at 4K, which is 6x. But if you want to try 3x and move it up, you can do it that way as well. So I'm going to just leave mine at 6x because I got a pretty good computer. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to go to memory cards. We're going to create a memory card with unlimited storage. Okay? Unlimited storage, man. Come on now. You're going to click create. Give your memory card a nickname. Kimu Gaming. You already know the vibes. I already have a memory card with that. Kimu Gaming OG. Oh, is it all gonna be one? Okay, it had to be all together. Okay. So boom. Kimu Gaming OG. That's the one we just made today, right? Are you gonna convert it into a folder? You don't have to click anything, but okay. Boom. All right, so we're going to click on the converted slot and you're going to put it into slot 1. I put it into slot 2 because I already have a main memory card here. You're not going to have one. So just right click and put it in slot 1 and you're good to go. The next thing you're going to do is go to controllers. If your controller is not here, that means either you need to configure it through Bluetooth or plug it up. So when you plug it up, you're gonna see it pop up, SDL0. All right, you're gonna make sure this is highlighted, the DualShock 4 enhanced mode, so you get that enhanced vibrations of the game that you don't normally get. And then you're gonna enable SDL raw input. Another fun fact on this page is that you see it says multi-tap. Multi-tap enabled up to 8 players to be connected to the console. Each multi-tap provides 4 ports. Multi-tap is not supported by all games. Okay, so what this is saying is that if you wanted to play Def Jam 5 from New York online, Tony Hawk Underground online, NBA Jam, NBA Ballers, WWE SmackDown vs. Raw, you can play up to 8 players right here on the left side of the screen.
Nice.
And you play online. Online. So, since we're not playing online right now, and we're just playing by ourselves at the spare moment, we are going to go to controller port 1 at the top left. Okay. When you first click it, yours is going to probably say, I don't know, DualShock 2 keyboard or something. All you're going to do is go to automatic mapping on the top left-hand corner, top right-hand corner, and click SDL0. It's going to automatically map your buttons. Each button is already laid out. Like if I wanted my triangle to be square, I can click square. But if I want it to be triangle, it could be triangle. If I want my start button to be R3, it can be R3. So you can be very precise with how you want to lay out your controller. But I just leave it alone. If it's already automatically mapped for me to go, why am I making it harder for myself? Some people have different preferences. That's all I'm saying. All right, so all we're gonna do is close after we hit SDL0. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is add our game into our PS2 emulator once you download it from wherever you get it from. I don't condone any piracy. All right, you're gonna go to game list, add, and wherever you get your games from, wherever you download your games from, that's where you will place it. All right, let's just say Madden 2006. You want to select your folder and hit yes. All right, so now if you click Madden 2006, there you go. If you wanted to play Yeah, Gen 5 from New York. There you go. So that's how you get the PS2 emulator. So if y'all have any questions, send a DM. If y'all want to join the Discord and play any PS2 games online, make sure that you leave a comment down below or join it through the description, and I'll make sure I have that set up for y'all. So y'all, without any further ado, man, y'all have a great night. Hope to see y'all in the Discord so we can play some games together. And y'all have a happy new year. God bless. Y'all stay safe.
Nice.